It's here. I was wanting this one for Christmas and they were out of stock, but on Black Friday, I think they were out of stock. On Black Friday, they restocked, so I was able to get it. Look how cute this is. This is by MrsButterD. So this is my second one by MrsButterD. Apparently I really like her art. Okay, this one looks like it has a sleeve on it. Yep. Okay, this one, I am currently doing Christmas one. I just started. It's a smaller one. I'm going to finish that one. I do have another kit that I was working on from Diamond Art Club, so I want to go back and finish that because I started that before I started Christmas stuff, and then I'll start this one. I'm about halfway done with that other kit, so let's open. All right, toolkit. Let's see what card I got. Okay, it's another bronze. So if you don't know about these cards, you get to collect them. You can trade them in for points on the shop for gift cards. Of course, you get your little stickers. There are 89 colors in this. Oof. And your start finish date sticker as well. And of course, a tray, some wax, 2 things of wax, pen, and some baggies in your kit. And I believe this is the larger tray. Let's check her out. Oh my gosh. Put this at the top. And there she is. So cute. Oh my goodness. Well, that's pretty big. This one is a 56 by 79 centimeter. It does have some ABs, 2 ABs. I don't know what L and Z are, but several Z's, whatever those are, if you can let me know. Online it says there is 1 iridescent and 6 fairy dust, as well as 2 ABs, so that's a lot. Oh my goodness, at the drills. All right, this one was separate for some reason. So we have this one. And then, let's take a look. Lots of these colors here. I like that pink and that turquoise. They're so shiny. That pink's pretty. Okay, here's the AB, one of them. Here's another AB, so some greens are ABs. And I didn't see the iridescent. Okay, either these are the fairy dust or the iridescent. I'm not really sure. Here's another one. That's one. Here is a Z. What does Z mean? Here's another one. They don't look, I'm not sure. And there's a whole nother pile of them I forgot to go through also. So I guess the Z is the fairy dust and L is the iridescent because there's 1 L. So these are the other ones. There's a fairy dust. What does fairy dust mean? Okay, there's the, I guess these are the iridescent ones. Okay, I think I forgot to say the name, but this is the Christmas Candy Shop.